Well, we've had some crazy blizzard-like conditions here in Oregon over the last couple of days. It's currently 26 degrees Fahrenheit outside, and I'm about to see if my Kubota BX will start up. It's been sitting here in the shed since end of September, and believe it or not, it's still operating with the original Kubota battery. The tractor is now almost 8 years old. Now, I do trickle charge the battery, so the battery hopefully is in good shape, but I don't have a block heater, so we're going to find out how well it's going to start.